Hello everybody, this is Alex from SoyaCincau.com and this is a COVID-19 Vaccine Malaysia update. This is a weekly show where we recap the latest developments of the COVID-19 vaccine as well as the national immunisation program. Just a friendly reminder that this update is also available in Bahasa Melayu and you can check it out on the SoyaCincau BM channel by clicking on the pop-up above or click on the link in the description box below. This week, we're going to talk about Sinovac getting a green light for teen vaccinations, and Malaysia has started negotiations to procure a new COVID-19 pill that can cut hospitalisation by half. And is it true that teens have died in Malaysia after taking the COVID-19 vaccine? This and more in this week's episode. Before we begin, here are some highlighted comments from the previous video. Mosud Mizaye said, I'm an expat living in Penang, applying for a long-term social visit for my mom to bring her here to Malaysia. She's fully vaccinated with Sinopharm, but I wonder in case after quarantine we wanted to go out, how should her vaccination status be reflected on her MySejahtera app? Do we need to visit MOH or email them for vaccination card? I couldn't find any information as it's mostly in Malay. Thanks a lot. Hi Moso, thanks for the comment. Yes, you can. If you've been fully vaccinated overseas, you can apply for a digital vaccine certificate in MySejahtera. Continue watching to find out more. Next we have Hiral Bhat. My mum got the Sinovac vaccine. When will she get her booster dose? Hi Harold, thanks for the comment. At the moment, it's not meant for everyone as it's only targeted for high-risk individuals. More details will be revealed by the local health authorities, so stay tuned. Next, we have Abdullah Adel. He said, I just want to ask, is it possible to not inject needles to my body and choose to stay healthy, exercise and do SOP? Do I have the choice to not take it? Hi Abdullah Adel. Yes, you have a choice. COVID-19 vaccinations are not mandatory, so you have a choice not to take it if you're not comfortable with taking the vaccine. However, do note that selected social and economic activities are only permitted for fully vaccinated individuals. This includes dine-in, attending events, and also travel, so take note of that. Pfizer is no longer the only vaccine that can be used for children aged between 12 to 17 years old. Malaysia health regulators have given a green light to Sinovac vaccines, and it will be included in the teen vaccination program. Pfizer will still be the default vaccine for teens. According to the Health Ministry, the Sinovac vaccines will be given to teens who have allergies or who can't take the Pfizer vaccines. Before Malaysia starts administering the booster shot for high-risk groups, authorities are allowing heterologous vaccinations where you can mix vaccines. This means, for example, if someone has completed the vaccination with Sinovac, they might be able to get Pfizer as the third dose. Health Minister Khairy Jamaluddin have told Parliament that studies on the safety have been done and they have assured that it's safe to be administered. Just a friendly reminder that the booster shot is targeted for high-risk groups. These include senior citizens with chronic diseases. Merck has recently announced that a new COVID-19 pill called Molnupiravir is successful in cutting hospitalisations by half. This is said to be the first antiviral drug to treat COVID-19, and Malaysia has started negotiations to procure the drug. The Phase 3 trial data have not been peer-reviewed, and Merck is expected to seek for emergency use authorization in the US very soon. Although Merck also makes ivermectin, take note that this new COVID-19 pill is actually different. Ivermectin is an anti-parasitic drug, while Molnupiravir is an antiviral drug that messes with the genetic code of the virus. Ivermectin is currently not authorized for use in Malaysia for human consumption. Based on Merck's study on the new drug, there are no COVID-19 deaths among those who've taken the drug, versus 8 who have received the placebo. If you have been fully vaccinated against COVID-19 outside Malaysia, you now can apply for a digital vaccine certificate in MySejahtera. Just go to the help desk section and select N. I've received my vaccination overseas and would like to obtain my digital certificate in MySejahtera. Then you need to attach your proof of vaccination, which can be a picture of your vaccination card. Once approved, your vaccine certificate should appear in your MySejahtera account. While Malaysia aims to vaccinate as many people as possible, there are individuals who can't get vaccinated due to health reasons. If you fall into this category, you can apply for a vaccine exemption certificate for MySejahtera. You will need to obtain a pre-vaccination assessment slip that's verified by a registered health professional. Then you need to submit the assessment slip to your nearest district health office. Once approved, the exemption will appear in your MySejahtera app within 7 days. Health Minister Khairy Jamaluddin has announced that MySejahtera users can soon report SOP violations on their phone. From the screenshot, users are able to report various violations including not wearing a face mask or screening for temperature. Users are also able to attach a photo, and this feature is expected to be rolled out soon, so stay tuned. As more states move into Phase 3 of the National Recovery Plan, Health Minister Khairy Jamaluddin has reminded everyone that dine-in is only allowed for individuals that have been fully vaccinated. If you receive a 2-dose vaccine like Pfizer, AstraZeneca or Sinovac, you're considered fully vaccinated 14 days after getting the second shot. If you get a single-dose vaccine like CanCino or Johnson & Johnson, you're counted as fully vaccinated 28 days after getting the injection. Khairy stressed that full vaccination requirement is still enforced for social and economic sectors. Health Minister Khairy Jamaluddin has refuted claims that several teens have died after getting the COVID-19 vaccine. Based on investigation, these claims are not true, and the minister has shared more details. The first death involving a 17-year-old girl in Ipoh had diabetes had passed away on 18th of August, and that's before the vaccination program for teens had started. The second claim involved a 17-year-old boy who had passed away due to sepsis with underlying congenital health diseases, and he has not received the COVID-19 vaccine. The third claim about a teen in Lada to have died after getting the vaccine is not true, as there have been no deaths involving teens after vaccination have been reported so far. So if you're not sure, don't share. Last week, a video showing a 12-year-old boy getting a ghost jab went viral. The incident took place in University Malaya on the 30th of September 2021. The healthcare worker initially showed a pre-filled syringe, but later picked up an empty syringe to give the injection. After realizing the mistake, the boy was given another shot after permission was granted by the parents. The vaccinator, who was appointed by Protect Health, has been terminated. The COVID-19 Immunisation Task Force has announced that a parent or guardian is allowed to accompany the teen in the vaccination booth to supervise the vaccination process. As of 5th October, Malaysia has administered close to 45 million vaccine doses nationwide. 73.8% of the total population have received at least one dose, while 63.8% of the total population have completed their vaccination with either a single or 2-dose vaccine. At the moment, 88.4% of the total adult population have been fully vaccinated. The Klang Valley currently leads in terms of completed vaccinations with close to 6.9 million individuals, followed by Johor with 2.3 million, Sarawak with 1.9 million, and Sabah with 1.7 million. That's all for now, and if you have any questions, please jot them down below in the comment section and we'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Due to the rapid developments of the COVID-19 vaccine, as well as the National Immunisation Program, some of this information might be out of date, so you can get the latest information on SoyaCincau.com or check out our latest video on our YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe us on our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be informed of our future videos. This is Alex from SoyaCincau.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!